Across the globe, there are 3.8 million searches are happening in the Google, and it is per minute. Yeah guys, per minute around 3.8 million searches are happening in the Google. So this searches is not an issue. So actually this all the websites or banking sites or any sites. So the sites are trustworthy. So hi, hello, welcome to my channel guys. So have you ever thought that before visiting any site, the site is fake or not? So to overcome this kind of situations, we will know a site is fake or not by an example of clickjacking attack. So this video will be very interesting. So stay with me till end of this video. Let's take a scenario. You want to send your money to a friend's bank account through online. So you will open the browser and you will see the bank website, right? So after opening the bank website, you will see there are many options and there is an option of transfer money. So just you will click on that. So after clicking on that, they will be asking some credentials like account number, IFSC code and etc. right? So you will be giving all the credentials, right? So after giving the credentials, just you will click on the pay button. After clicking the pay button, you will realize that the amount is debited from your account, but it's not credited to its friend's bank account. So here, the scenario or the attack is happened with you is that clickjacking attack. So this clickjacking attack is nothing but it fools the user that you are clicking on one thing, but it actually clicking on the another thing. So we will know this clickjacking attack in better manner, but before knowing that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel guys and add a like button and share this video. Let's look at this picture. Here the target web page, which means the banking site, which you have given all the credentials like account number, IFSC code, all the stuff you have given, right? So this all kind of stuff is the target web page. And here you can see that green color pay button, right? So here the green color pay button is redirect to the red color pay button, which is the malicious target web page. So when you clicking on the green color pay button, it actually clicking on the red color web page, I mean the malicious web page pay button. So this process is called clickjacking and this attack is called clickjacking attack. So now we will see the practical video of the clickjacking attack. So let's switch the screen to my Lappy. So let's perform the clickjacking attack guys. To perform this attack, we need a website and that website have this vulnerability also. So I have found a website like BWAP. So in this website we can have many bugs. Like they are already having 100 vulnerabilities, you can see here, right? So in the bug section, these are all are the bugs which are having in this application. So we can easily take an example of this website for our clickjacking attack. So let's perform the attack guys. So first thing, to perform the clickjacking attack, we need a script for this attack. So I have already taken a script. So as you can see here, right? So iframe section I have given this kind of details like width, height, opacity and z index 2 means z index 2 means this is the malicious web application, and in the div section I have given the z index 1 which means this is the target web application, right? So in below you can see the iframe screen, right? So here I have given the link of this website only, and here you can see div. So here congratulations, you have won $1000. So to understand this script in better manner, so let's see the result. So to see the result, I will save this file as the HTML. So demo2.html and save. So let's see the result. So here is the file. So just open this and you can see here, congratulations, you have won $1000, right? So when you click on this click will be clicking on the malicious web page, which is the backside, right? So I will increase the opacity here like 000, yeah, and I will save this, and now we will see the result. So just reload. Yeah, so you can see only the congratulations, you have won $1000. So when you click on this click will be on the malicious web application, but this congratulations, you have won $1000, this is the target web application. So this is the form of clickjacking attack guys. So be aware of this kind of websites. So that's the attack guys. So I simply suggest you all that don't be hurry to pay the bills on the online mode. because if you're doing something before that, please check that the website is trust or not. I mean, we can trust or not, right? So in some websites there will be pop-up like download here, or you have won the iPhone, this kind of pop-ups, right? So don't click on that pop-ups, guys, because you can redirect to another website, and sometimes your phone can be hacked also due to these pop-ups. So these pop-ups are very dangerous. Don't click any kind of the pop-up ad. So that's the video, guys. If you want to know more about this clickjacking attack, so feel free to comment below. I will rectify your problems in a better manner. So this is the video. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel, guys. And finally, see you in the next video.